Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today, we have two high dollar multimeters from two, I'm going to say well-known companies for those of you who've been in the field a long time, or whether it's doing electrical work or even electronic work, electrical technician type work. I know you've heard of the FLUKE 87V or 87.5, and most of you, some of you may have heard of the AEMC MTX MTX 3200 series multimeter. Okay, this one in particular is a 3290 multimeter. Just recently purchased this one, and this one hit the market. I had it written down, one second. January of 2015. That will roughly put it at like something like 7 years, maybe going on 8 years, just been out. The FLUKE has been hit the market 20 years ago, August the 26th, 2004. I've had this meter. This meter's almost, I've owned it for almost 20 years. And you're looking at a meter that's almost 20 years old. Hadn't given me any trouble whatsoever. And I just want to, only thing I'm going to do today is just do a capacitance test. Using electrolytic capacitors right here. I have one for 1500 microfarads. I have one sitting here for 2200. Let me see. No, that's 560 microfarads. This one is 2200 microfarads. This one is 1500 microfarads, and this one on the end is 1000 microfarads. We're going to see that. I'm just going to compare the features of these two meters. But before I continue, let me ask for your support. I'm asking you to join the channel. And the reason why I'm asking you to join the channel is because I need your support. I am a tool lover. My trade is electrical. I am a licensed electrician. I've been one for almost 30 years. And I'm also a tool lover. And I like tinkering around in my shop, as you see. I have a little shop here, and I need your support to help my channel to grow. Right now, I'm trying to reach 10,000 and more viewers and subscribers. If you can help me do that, I'm reaching my hand out. And if you want to be a support, I'm speaking to all my electrical brothers out there, electrician brothers, and all my other technicians out there, HVAC or tradesmen. I need your support. I'm reaching on my hand right here in honor of your support. And just imagine yourself shaking my hand, saying that you'll do that. Help my channel to grow. It's for free, and the only thing that would do is put you in rotation to receive notification of my new videos that's coming out, as well as my old ones. And it'll be on YouTube. You won't be bothered on your phone, just calling your phone, or some of you just joining YouTube. No, it'll just be that you'll be receiving notification from the channel that I have a new video out. Anyway, I want to thank you in advance. Again, I want to thank those of you who've been with the channel a long time and still with the channel. I appreciate you guys. So don't forget to support the channel. Hit that subscribe button. You can do that while you're watching the video. There's a word subscribe under the screen. Hit the bell right next to it. You can also leave a comment if you choose to, or a question. You got to hit that like button. All of that helps the channel to grow. Now, anyway, I've done individual reviews on each one of these multimeters. And you can go check that out on my channel if you choose to as well. Like I said, I've had, now back to the multimeters, I've had this FLUKE multimeter and I've owned it for almost 20 years. So like I said, you're looking at a multimeter that's almost 20 years old. And for sure, I've had it over 15 years, around 18 years probably, for sure. And this one, I just recently got this one. And I'm going to tell you why I bought this meter in a minute. But pound for pound, both of these meters are basically the same as far as the features. The only difference between the two is that this one has a backlight. It may have a few more features that this one don't. No, I think they're about the same. One of them is, I think this FLUKE is like a 6,000 count, 5,000 count, something like that. I can't remember, but this one is a 6,000 count right here. Okay, the price of this FLUKE today is $469. The price of this this MTX 3290 that's put out by AEMC, $499. This one has a backlight. The FLUKE has a backlight. I have 2 stages of a backlight, low and high. This one doesn't. And it's for $499 today. Today's date is the 30th of September, 2023. But $499 without a backlight. I'm going to read some stuff here about this multimeter before we get started. And this is what it says about it from T Equipment. Right now, let me bring it closer. Right now, that's the price, $499. They want to sell it for $474. I'm sure by now it'll go up in a few. They got it advertised here like it got a backlight, which it doesn't. And this, I'm gonna let you see what it says about this multimeter here. See where it said 3290, model 3290? This is a 3290 right here. Also, and I'll let you see that in a minute. And I'll read this for you guys. They say the model 3290 is a portable multimeter with a graphical color display. That's a lie. They say allowing direct measurement of the main electrical quantities and shows the trends instantaneously. Okay, that means fast. For some of you don't know, its innovative design makes them compact, rugged, comfortable, and to grip and leak-proof to IP67 standards. They say the dynamic logger can record many different quantities. Advanced measurement functions includes duty cycle, pulse, counting, MAT, function, and monitoring of min, max, and average peaks. Enables you to observe many various aspects of the electrical quantities. Now, I'm not going to go too much into it. I just want to show you guys a see that's what's on. That's what's on. What making them sell this meter. That's what made me buy this meter, because what I saw, I got it for a good price, and I thought I was getting this meter, what they're talking about, but I'm not. I was fooled. All this meter don't have everything what they say, like the graphical screen, the not color display, the backlight. That's not right. Let's see which one that's gonna fare the best. I'm just gonna do one test, and that test is gonna be using these capacitors right here. And both of them are rated for 1,000 volts. Could measure 1,000 volts AC/DC. Both of them could do 10 amps max AC/DC. And let's just get started. Both of them have mainly the same functions, and both of them pound for pound, they are the same. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm using this BNC connector right here with these crock clips right here. And the reason why I'm using this cable, because depends on these capacitors, kind of short, and they'll grip them better. That's why I'm gonna use the same cable. These same leads for each meter. Okay, so we should get the same reading. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the FLUKE. Now you guys are gonna have to pay attention to the reading, the measurements yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna just push this camera over just a little, and you guys are gonna have to be the judge of this. So let me just slide the camera over, and while I do the test, okay? Okay, put it right there so you guys can see. All right, so let me get something so I can short out the capacitors before we use it. Don't want to mess the meters up. It should be shorted out already, but let's show you guys. All right, let's start with the big boy, one of the big boys here, the 1500 microfarad capacitor. Short it out. This is my way of shorting it out. I know you guys have other ways of doing it, but this is my way of shorting it out. Shorting it out, and I'm going to use the BNC cable. Always make sure you have the ground side of have it inserted properly. I'm going to put it in there, right there properly. Push it back some so you guys can see. And since I've already mentioned that which ones have the backlight and which one don't. I'm gonna make it easier for you guys can see. Now, all right. Remember, and I'm gonna show you the quickness of this meter that's almost 20 years old. Now, here we go. 1500 microfarads. Let me put it on microfarad first. On capacitance first. Okay. Here we go. Here we go again. There you go. Look at that. Look how quick it got. Look how quick. 1500 microfarads. 1436. You guys can write that down because I don't want to lose it. I can press the hold button up, but it may hold, it may not. I'm going to try it and see. But now I'm going to switch it over. I'm going to put the hold. And I'm going to take this out. Let's see if I can get it. I should have pressed the hold button first. That's what I should have did. Let me try that again. Okay. Start over. Hit the hold button. Okay. And let it hold it. It didn't do it. But anyway, let me just take the hold button off. Okay, guys. Short it out again. But as far as the quickness, you guys saw it the first time. You just write this down because I want you to see what's going on here. Okay, that's all right, 1450. And look how quick that we got it up there. 1450. Okay, now take it out of here, and I'm going to put it here. All right, where are we? Now, just move this on the side for a minute, and put this directly in the so you'll see. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. Let me short it out again. I'm going to look at the speed. That was 1450. I'm going to do this one again. Do it again. Here we go. Look how long it's taking. Look, for a $500 meter. Look at that. Look how long that's taking. Can you believe that? It's on capacitance. Now it gives it to you. Huh. It's 1450. It's within spec, but look how long it takes for a $500 meter. So that's two. And like pros and cons, that's two. Don't have a backlight and it's slow. Okay, so that's a 15. But it's in spec. Okay, now get this out of the way. I'm going to try the one for the next biggest one. It's going to be what are we? Where are we? 500. And I don't know if you guys can see that really good. 560 microfarads. See. Okay, now we'll see how long it takes to do them short. And short it out. And let's do it. Same test leads. Here we go. Here we go again. A 6-year-old meter. $500. Okay. Now, if speed means a lot to you, all right, it's 518. 518 for this one. Move that out of the way. And go right. Here we go. 518. See how fast the FLUKE is. How fast that is. No problem. Let's do it again. Some of you didn't see the speed. This is what a $500 meter should look like. Look. Meter's all 20 years old, y'all. Okay. We did those two. Now, let's go to a smaller one, which is, this is 1,000. Okay, see it, 1,000 microfarads. Okay. So, short it out. Okay. See how quick that was? Stable reading, look at that. Okay. Now, it's just a comparison. Now, let me move over here. Right ports. Okay. Sorry for the dim light, y'all. All right, same one. Let me show you. Where are we? 1,000 microfarads. Okay, it's been shorted out. Let's go for it. All right, there we go. How long it takes. Okay. That's for 1,000. Let's do this one more. 1,500. This is for 2,200 right here. I'm gonna do this one, and we're gonna see. Let me see. Some of you guys, let me turn it around. 2,200 microfarads. See that? All right. Short it out. Same one. 2,200. Okay, there we go. $500 meter. Okay, 2.225. All right. Okay. Short it out. I'm going to try the FLUKE. Get back there. Okay, guys. Same one. 2,200. 16 volts. Short it out. Here we go. Look how fast the FLUKE did it. Let me just do that again for you guys who didn't see that. Watch it now. Look at that. All right. Okay, guys. The test is over. Can't wait to read some of you guys' comments concerning this. Remember, 20 years old, 6 years old, $469, $500. Backlight, no backlight. Come with a case, no case, no protective case. That's it. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. I'm out.